It takes 20 years to build a reputation in business. Any data breach takes literally 20 seconds to destroy that. We take security very seriously at FormAssembly. That's the core of our business. Data is the new gold. What we care about is data, how can we make it secure, and the privacy of the data. We are the good stewards of that data. So what we do is enable customers to collect the data securely, and it's our job that the data is not breached, there are no incidents, and data is secure at all times. We made that conscious choice 3 years ago to go all in into security as a business. Every employee is a critical part of data security. Every employee gets training every month and an annual training. Plus, we have lots of tools that enable the employees to do their job securely while protecting the data, be it VPN, MDM, or any other advanced technologies. We have a dedicated team that's always researching, learning from these new tools that come to the market, and we try to implement the best in the industry. We've gotten our ISO 27001 certification. We got the FedRAMP Ready certificate for the government agencies, federal agencies. We have done GDPR compliance, CCPA compliance, NYDFS, and many more. But more than just the stamp of approvals and the certificates, we have raised our compliance posture to a level that we get accolades from all the clients. This is the smoothest purchase of software that we have done. The confidence the customers show us on the calls they tell us about FormAssembly is just amazing.